to download Google Play Store app on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to search bar on your Microsoft Edge and search for Google Play Store. Then you'll find this option. Click on Android apps on Google Play. And then log into your account if you want, or create an account if you don't have any account. Then you'll find three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Click on three dots and you'll find all these options. Click on apps and then click on install this site as an app. Click on install, click on allow, and you'll see Google Play Store on your taskbar. And that's how you download Google Play Store app on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.